Hello everyone, I'm your friend Pankaj here again. Today I'm here with another tutorial which I was planning to do few days back also, but due to some personal reasons I was not able to make this video. But now today I want to go on this video only. In my last tutorial I have shared how to install WAMP server on Windows machine, and you might have seen this WAMP server error we have resolved in another video. Today, yes, there are other WAMP softwares like WAMP server which can help you to make your Windows machine and convert into a localhost server. One of them is XAMPP, which you can try, and there are a lot more tutorials available on YouTube on this how to install this and how you can use this, and you can find other things about this on various other tutorials, but I'm not going through this because personally with the software I use for the localhost development is quite different one that I want to share with you guys. So this is the software I use for my localhost development. It's called Laragon. If you go through its website laragon.org, you will see their tagline is Laragon is the best and fastest local server by far. So yeah, here are a few more things that you can see on their website. Blazing fast. You can check the benchmark results here, right? If you can go through this website, you can check this. Yes, one more thing. On local WAMP server, we used to browse our development websites like this: http://localhost/app. But in Laragon, we have the ability to work with pretty URLs. That means your app.test will be the URL. Also here, if you go and see, just one click installation for WordPress CMS. So in this software, we don't have to download WordPress. I will show you each and every step ahead. But if you go through the website, you will see it says one click installation of WordPress CMS. Show your local projects to customers. That means you can share directly without uploading on any other server or any other demo site. You can showcase your websites, working websites, development websites with your clients. So let's go and install this. I'm going to download this. I will download the full setup because the light setup doesn't include Node.js and Vim. That I will be using on other projects. So I would want to go for full setup. Download will start shortly. I'm not going to pause this video, so please be patient and see all the steps. My internet is fast, so it should be downloaded within, say, 132 MB is going to be downloaded in less than 30 seconds. Okay, maybe in 30 or 30 plus seconds. But this, and my internet is quite fast, so I'll now pause this video. Almost done. So the download is complete. Let me install this. Yes, one more thing I want to share. For Laragon also, you need to install all the VC libraries. I have given the link in my previous video. Here you can see in this WAMP server solved. This video you can see there are all the links given. I will give the link again in this video description. This is the link. So I'll give the link again in this video. Once the download is complete, I will proceed with the installation of Laragon. Laragon under the start. In this tutorial, I'm not going to just show the installation of Laragon, but I will also share how you can install WordPress with one click, single click on this Laragon software. The download was fast, but installation will take time. Little time, not that much, but please be patient. I'm working on a virtual machine. That might be a case that's why it's little slow. The installation is little slow. It's almost complete. Okay, done. I will run it from my desktop. Double click. And start all. It's okay. I will allow this from all the firewalls. Oh, yeah. Let's close it from here. It's minimized here on the right of the window. So just one more thing. If you go to the like WAMP server, it is also installed in C. WAMP is here, Laragon is here. So Laragon, all the files go into www directly, like same as the WAMP server, where all our files go here. In Laragon, yes, this is. So if I create a new folder here, let's say test site, and when you go to Laragon, www test site, it will say like this. And if I check localhost, you can see this page Laragon. Okay, now let's go to the one-click installation of WordPress, which is our main objective. Right click, quick app. These are quick apps you can install with just one click. So let's start with WordPress. I will click WordPress. I will give it a name, demo. That's it, nothing else, demo. So the pretty URL will be demo.test. It's downloading the WordPress site files itself. It will extract it. Let's go through here. Yeah. Download is complete. Now it will start extracting the files in this www directory. You will see one folder with the demo name will appear here once that extraction is finished. Detecting new project, click allow, yes. Here you can see this folder and all the WordPress files here, right? Okay, let's visit site. Because it is a new installation Windows WordPress, so the same setup you have to do one more time. In this Laragon setup, it will not going to ask you for the database connection like it happens in the WAMP server. Why? Because database is already connected and it's already mentioned in the WP config file. So let's say the demo of Laragon. Install WordPress. Our WordPress is installed, and let's log in to see. WordPress installed. So that's why I use Laragon mostly nowadays 100% I'm working on Laragon only. It's very quick to install projects, initiate the projects. And yes, one more thing, PHP version you can see here, Apache 4.3, MySQL. Okay, one more thing, if you try to go to phpMyAdmin, it's not enabled in Laragon by default. phpMyAdmin is not enabled. So if you want to see the database, double click here, database, and here you can see this demo database. One more time, click on database, click on Laragon, double click on Laragon, all this databases will appear here. Click on the database you want to see. Right. In my another chapter, in my another tutorial, I will share how to enable PHP MyAdmin in Laragon. How to just one more thing I want to see. Updates. Let's check if there are any updates. 5.4. It's installing the latest version of WordPress. Okay. One more thing. Yes, PHP MyAdmin is not enabled by default. We will enable this in another tutorial, and I will share how to change the PHP versions in Laragon and how you can convert your MySQL to MariaDB. Currently, we are using MySQL 5.7 because I personally work on MariaDB now. So I will share this with you in my next tutorial also. Till then, please let me know if you like this tutorial. If you have any questions regarding Laragon, WordPress, you can share these with the comment box. I will try to resolve them as soon as possible, but I will make sure I will answer to all of your queries, and I'll keep posting more tutorials, more exciting tutorials. And another series I'm going to start is the fastest, not fastest, but the fast WordPress theme development, which I hope you guys will like. Thank you so much for watching this. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.